how to make money on Upwork as a branding specialist. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money on this platform. And I'm going to do that in 4 steps. I'm going to show you how you can set up your profile, how you can set your bio and the picture of your profile, and how to improve the profile of yours to get as many clients as possible, and how you can find or look for work inside of the platform. So let's get started by creating our account first. Join as a freelancer, click on apply as a freelancer, then you fill the usual information, first name, last name, email, and so on. And for me, I'm just going to log in. I've already created my account, and here let's type the email, continue with email and login. After that, we're going to set our profile, and as you can see, this is the last step of setting up the profile. So let's go back to start from the first steps. Let's go back. So here, let's get started. Click on get started. This is the first step of setting up the profile. So here you answer a few questions. If you have freelanced before, you can answer these questions or you can just skip them. They are not very important. Same thing with this other question. And here we have these boxes to check. So make sure to check all of them 3. Or you can just, after that, click on next to create a profile. And here you have 3 options to choose from. If you want to import for LinkedIn, or you want to upload your resume if you have it in a PDF file, or if you want to fill it out manually, it will take less than 15 minutes. So let's go with filling it out manually. And here click on start a new profile. Enter your skill, which is branding specialist. Then click on next to add your experience, and here click on the plus button to add your experience, the title of experience, company, and so on. Same thing with education as well. You can add your education in here. After that, we add the languages. So here English is a must in this platform. So my level in it is conversational. And for the other languages, I'm a native in Arabic, so I'm going to add Arabic. Native, and I've studied French in school, so I'm going to go with French as well. Like that. My level is basic. Then click on next to add your skills. So here they've already suggested some skills for me: branding, marketing, logo design, brand development. Let's go with brand and marketing, brand development, brand management, branding. And as you can see here, the maximum is 15 skills, so there is enough room for a lot of skills in here. After that, you click on next to write your bio. So here guys, in order to enter a good bio for your profile, just go to ChatGPT, type I'm a brand specialist, give me a bio for my Upwork profile, and it will give you a very good bio. Check the bio, verify it, then copy and paste it in here, just like I'm doing right now for Marty's bio. Because I don't want to make the video long by going to ChatGPT, and then click on next to choose your categories. So here you can search for service in here, or you can just choose the suggested services, which are branding and logo design. Then click on next to set your rate, and here let's enter our hourly rate. Let's go with $20 per hour. Click on next to add your photo and location. And as you can see here, we have the usual information: birth, date of birth, country, address. And here you upload your photo. So make sure to show clients the best version of yourself. And guys, It must be an actual photo of you. Logos, clip art, group photos, and digitally altered images are not allowed. So keep that in mind. And after you're done with creating your profile, this is how you're going to improve it. I'm going to log out to show you the method to improve your profile to be noticed by clients. Let's go back to the main page. Go to the search button in here and let's type. So basically what I'm going to show you is search for the people that have the same skills like you do, see the highest earner in the field, see how much he gets paid per hour, and make sure to put a slightest, put the same or less than his less than what he gets paid. Don't exaggerate it, just put a slightest amount. Like for this one, she earned $200 plus the more than $200, and she gets $100 per hour. So what I want you to do is to get paid $95 or $80 per hour and see what she's doing differently, and make sure to do the same like her, what she writes in her bio, what are her skills. And this is another one. He earned more than 2 millions, guys, as you can see. So this is a huge number, and he gets paid $65 per hour, and this is his bio. So make sure to see his bio, how he's interacting with clients, and see what you can do differently in your profile to get more clients. And if you want to find work easily, just go to find work in here, click on find work for your skills, and you will see all of the listed jobs in the platform. And here, just go to the search box and type your skill, and you will see all of the listed jobs that are looking for the same skill that you have, and then you will be able to apply for them, see if they will accept you or not. So here, let's go with branding. See, so you have one result found. You can check that, see the prices, see everything. $50, $200, innovative packaging designer for women's health product. So you can apply for these jobs. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.